In the previous tutorial, /post/Rust tutorial collections/ we learned Rust collections. As projects grow, putting everything in one file becomes unmanageable. In this tutorial, we learn modules, Rust's system for organizing code into logical units. Let's break it down. Inline modules. The simplest module is defined inline with the mod keyword. By default, everything in a module is private. Add pub to make items accessible from outside the module. Visibility rules. Visibility levels. No keyword. Private to the current module. Pub. Public to everyone. Pub. Crate. Public within the crate, but not to external users. Pub. Super. Public to the parent module only. Why private fields matter. Private fields enforce invariance. If age is private, the only way to set it is through user new, where you can add validation. No code outside the module can set age to an invalid value. The use keyword. Use brings items into scope, so you do not need the full path every time. Common use patterns. File-based modules. As your project grows, you move modules to separate files. Rust has simple rules for this. Project structure. Declaring modules in src/main.rs or src/lib.rs. This tells Rust to look for each module in either src/math.rs, a single file, src/math/mod.rs, a directory with submodules. The module file src/math.rs contains the actual code. Notice, no mod keyword in the file itself. Re-exports. Re-exports let users import from a simpler path. In src/lib.rs. Without re-exports. With re-exports. Re-exports make your public API cleaner. Users do not need to know your internal module structure. Nested modules. Modules can contain other modules. Accessing parent items with super. Super refers to the parent module. Super. Config accesses the config module that is a sibling of services. lib.rs versus main.rs. A Rust project can have both. src/lib.rs, library code, reusable. src/main.rs, binary code, the application. The binary imports from the library using the crate name. The crate name comes from cargo.toml, with hyphens converted to underscores. Using external crates. Add dependencies in cargo.toml, then use them in your code. Find crates at crates.io. Check download counts and recent updates to pick well-maintained crates. Cargo workspace. For large projects, use a workspace with multiple crates. Each member is an independent crate that can depend on others. Benefits of workspaces. Share a single target directory, faster builds. Share a single cargo.lock, consistent dependencies. Test everything with cargo test. Workspace. Essential cargo tools. These tools are part of the Rust toolchain. Use Cargo FMT and Cargo Clippy on every project. Testing modules. Each module can have its own tests. Use Super. Imports everything from the parent module. Tests have access to private functions too, since they are defined inside the module. Common mistakes. Mistake 1. Forgetting pub. Mistake 2. Missing mod declaration. Creating a file is not enough. You must declare the module. Mistake 3. Circular dependencies. Fix it by separating shared types into their own module that both can depend on. Module organization guidelines. When to create a new module. When a file grows beyond 200 to 300 lines. When functions are logically related. All validation. All database queries. When you want to control visibility. Hide implementation details. Naming conventions. Module names. Snake_case. E.g., user_service. HT2_client. File names match module names. User_service.rs. Directories for modules with submodules. User_service/mod.rs. Common project layout.